G'day everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Dale, and today we're creating a decadent and creamy treat made with condensed milk. Imagine that rich sugary taste of condensed milk transformed into a smooth golden sauce that has an intense flavour of caramel. There are a few different kinds of condensed milk available. We have skim, or surprisingly, a coffee flavoured one, vegan friendly coconut, or regular, select a good sized pot that will fully cover your tin or tins and fill with water. The tins can either lay down or stand up, but keep in mind there is a slight chance that the tins with the ring top may burst from pressure buildup. I've never experienced this myself, but please be careful. Now once we have our chosen type, we need to fully remove the label and as much of the glue as possible. No worries if you can't fully remove everything, just remember in cleanup to remove any glue scum from around the cooking pot. Bring water to a boil and adjust if necessary. Here we have a rolling boil that I'd like to decrease to a softer one. Boil for 2 to 3 hours. But if you like a darker caramel with heavier toffee notes, cook it for longer. You can also remove the tins safely when ready by using tongs or allow the water and tins to cool naturally within the pot. Allow to fully cool before opening will reduce the risk of exploding. Here we have the regular condensed milk that has been cooked for 2 hours. Look at that lovely golden colour. The texture is set and stable directly out of the tin, but you can whip this smooth and set again via refrigeration. Now this is the skim milk version and has been cooked for 3 hours. You can see a slightly darker golden colour, which means it has a deeper concentration of caramel flavours, and the texture is also slightly firmer. Side by side, you can see the texture and colour differences. The coffee and tin experiment actually surprised me for both texture and flavour. I think this is now my favourite. It has darker notes of caramel and a coffee flavour that imparts a bitterness that complements the sweetness of the sugars. There would be many applications that we could explore with this tin alone, one of which is in the next video. Now unfortunately, I can't showcase the vegan friendly coconut milk today as I've jumped the gun and utilised it for the next video, but take my word, this was delicious. So there we have it, a simple but incredibly versatile sauce serving as delicious toppings for desserts, a decadent filling for pastries, or even a rich creamy dip for fruit or pretzels. But you know what I love to do? I love to keep a tin in the fridge so I can grab a spoonful whenever I crave this amazing caramel. Thanks for watching.